Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen supplement, full guide. Take 1 serving daily with a source of vitamin C and mix into water or your favorite drink, ideally after a workout or with a meal to aid absorption. Start with the manufacturer recommended dose and adjust if needed while monitoring results. Consistency over weeks shows benefits for skin elasticity, joint comfort, and connective tissue repair in a natural, gentle way. Choosing the right collagen starts with understanding forms and sources, like hydrolyzed bovine, marine, or chicken types tailored to skin or joint goals. Prioritize products with clear ingredient lists and third-party testing when possible, and avoid unnecessary fillers or strong flavors. Consider sustainability and allergies, and read serving sizes to calculate daily intake. A thoughtful choice makes consistent use more enjoyable and effective for long-term benefits. Use collagen daily by stirring it into coffee, tea, smoothies, or soups for seamless inclusion in meals and routines. Pair each dose with a vitamin C source to help your body build new collagen more efficiently, and space intake evenly if taking multiple servings. Track how your skin, hair, or joints respond over 4 to 12 weeks, and consult a healthcare provider if you have medical conditions or take other supplements for safe coordination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.